Is there any benefit to setting up PayPal, Venmo relief accounts as a business? In general, we don't recommend this because PayPal and Venmo are going to take out their fees, right? So basically, what I want to say here is I would attempt not to be mixing your business and personal stuff here. In general, you want to take in a gift through your personal account if you can, not through business. If you take it in through business, it's going to, potentially have the appearance of being earned income for your business. Of course, you can still put an explanation on your Schedule C and you can cancel it out. If, for example, PayPal now sends you a 1099-K that reports all of that money as income when some of it was gifts. So that's the reason that you want to keep it into a personal account and not a business account in the first place. But if you, like me, were in the dark with no cell signal whatsoever and no internet and absolutely no ability to set up a new PayPal account, and the only link you could access was the one that you use all the time, which is your business link. And literally, I'm describing myself, right? I was in the dark with no water, no power, no internet, no cell service. And so I had that link for my business account available. And I knew that, that window of media attention on this disaster is short. That money would want to come in quickly. And if I waited, it just wouldn't, not as much would come in. So I sent out my business link, even knowing that it was not the right thing to do, or not the perfect thing to do, because I felt like getting money and having to deal with some annoyance around, tax stuff was going to be better than not getting any money in the first place. So my mutual aid link that I sent out was my business link, and it's annoying because PayPal is taking its fees. I'm just deciding I'm covering those fees. And I'm going to still give 100% of the donation amount, even though somebody took a cut out of it. So yeah, frustrating, but what are you going to do when you're sitting in the dark? Sometimes there's not much you can do about it. If you have better circumstances than we had here as Helene struck, then absolutely set up a separate account or give out your personal link and not your business link.